Hello. Rock River High School wanted to take a few moments to update all the parents and students on some changes that are being made to our scheduling process for the 2019-2020 school year. The first change that we wanted to show you is how teachers will now be recommending students for classes they'll take the following school year. In the past, you may recall that each student was given a paper copy of potential courses they could select for the following year. They would then take that paper copy around to each teacher that needed to give them recommendation moving forward. Since that process was somewhat cumbersome, since it meant that we had to track individual pieces of paper for almost 900 students, we thought it would be much more efficient and effective to move the entire process online, which we've done. So the first step in this is to show the parents and students how teachers will be making recommendations. And for the purpose of this video, we've created an example of a teacher recommendation for 2019-2020 that a math teacher may see. If you look down at the screen here, you have the student's name, the current grade level they're in, and then the current course they're in. Teachers will then move over to this category called recommended course name and click on the drop-down arrow. So for student 1 who's in Algebra 1, you can see they have multiple choices or pathways they can take. Most students in Algebra 1 obviously move to geometry, so for the purpose of this example, student 1 is going to take geometry. The teacher would click geometry. There are situations sometimes where students double up in math, so student 2 might be recommended to take Algebra 2 and geometry during their senior year. A student that's currently in geometry would probably move to Algebra 2. A student in Honors Pre-Calculus has a bunch of choices, but for the sake of this video, we've given 2 down here, and let's just say they move to Calculus A-B. All of our core teachers, Math, Science, English, Social Studies, will be doing this along with some individual elective teachers, including World Language. Once the process is finished and all the teachers have made all recommendations, we will then populate these spreadsheets into Dazzle, which is our student management system. When your child logs in to schedule their classes, they will already see the recommendations the teachers have made for them. In the next video that we will create, we will walk you through how to complete a student schedule and show you some of the procedures you can take to override if you were to disagree with the teacher recommendation. But this pretty much sums up what our teachers will be doing, and we just wanted to make it clear to parents and students of the changes in the process. If you have any questions about any of these things, feel free to reach out to one of our administrators or one of our counselors. Thank you very much.